Guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can set a pin or a pattern over on your lock screen on a Samsung device. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. So here, first of all, move to your settings. Now right here, scroll down and you will be able to find this lock screen option over here. You just have to tap on that. And in here, you can see the first option we have screen lock type. So you just have to tap on that. After that, now here you will have a lot of options. So if you want, you can choose pattern, pin, password, and Face ID or fingerprint. So if you want to set a pin over on your lock screen, just go for pin. If you want to set a pattern, just go for pattern. So for right now, I'm going to choose pin. Now, if you choose pin here, we have a note that pin must contain at least 4 digits. So your pin must be 4 digits or greater than 4 digits. So let's say type in 000. After that, hit OK, and your pin will be set it. And from now on onwards, whenever you want to unlock your phone, you need to require to enter your pin, and after that you can unlock it. So that's how you can set up pin over on your lock screen on a Samsung device. If you found this video helpful, guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.